Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? My anticipation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Idea English Version School. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. My dear students, I'm going to take mathematics class for class 1 and our topic is subtraction part 2 and our lecture is 20 and HW is 14. My dear students, you have to submit HW next Saturday on school campus. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Look, here are three subtractional problem. Number 1, 2 and 3. You know that 3 and 9 is the ones place digit, 2 and 0 is the tens place digits, 5 and 4 is the hundred place digits. Now draw a line for bring down the answer and take the subtractional sign, that means minus. Now start from the ones place. Here 9 and 3. 3 is the top digit and 9 is the bottom digit. But we know that top digits will be the bigger than the bottom digit. Is it the wrong? No, this is not wrong. We have to borrow 1 from the next column. That means from the tens place. After borrowing 1, 3 will be 13 and 2 will be 1. Now look at my dear students, here it is 13 and here it is 9. 13 is bigger than 9. So 9 from 13 it will be 4. 0 from 1 it will be 1. 4 from 5 it will be 1. So the answer is 114. Now go to the next question. Again draw a line and take the minus sign, and 5 and 1 is ones place digit, 3 and 9 is tens place digit, 6 and 2 is hundred place digit. Now subtract 1 from 5. 5 is the top digit and 1 is the bottom digit, and which is the smaller than the top digit. Now 1 from 5 it will be 4. There is no carry. 9 from 3. Here 3 is smaller than 9. So again you have to borrow 1 from the next column, that means 100 columns. So 6 will be 5. Now 9 from 13. 9 from 13 it will be 4. And 2 from 5 it will be 3. So the answer will be 344. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now let's go the next question. Question on 3. Here it will be minus sign. It is ones place, it is tens place, and it is hundred place. Now 5 from 3. 3 means it will be 13. 5 from 13 it will be 8. And there is carry 1. 1 from 2 it will be 1. 5 from 8 it will be 3. So the answer is 318. My dear students, you have to submit HW and solve this. Try to solve this type of problem at your home. See you soon. Take care of yourself, and till then, Allah Hafiz.